We shut down Hudson Yards.
They didn't have two things at TJ's that I needed.
Going to see a Broadway show.
Welcome back to the Lu&Chan channel.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Chandler.
And welcome back to our Autumn in New York series, where we are challenging ourselves to become fall people
through a 30-day fall bucket list. And today is a really special day because it is day 16, which means we are over the hump.
Halfway through. It's honestly really exciting. At the end of this video, we're gonna have a little bit of an update for you, so stick around.
But before that, time to go shopping. Fall haul.
Baha!
What was that accent? What are they smoking? Got her. It is cold today. You can't tell from those cheeks. Whoa, they're looking rosy. It looks like I literally have blush on.
We walked into church the other day and they were like, oh my gosh, where did you guys go? You look so tan. We were like, nowhere. Oh, I think you're just freezing. Anywhere that calls their food medicine is gonna be expensive.
Okay, today we are doing a fall haul. You know what that is. I don't have to explain it to you. We have some returns that we need to make.
4 different stores. Ready to list them all?
Madewell.
Aritzia.
Zara.
Uniqlo.
Great stores, quality brands.
The epitome of fast fashion.
So glad you threw it in there, Lou. We were all thinking it. We're going to Hudson Yards. A little walk, though.
I'm really excited.
You ready to buy a Benz, baby? Ready to buy a Benz?
I'm hoping to find a fall sweater.
Ooh, I'm hoping to, actually, I'm looking for a sweater too. I think I'm gonna return the shirts, get a sweater.
I'm gonna return my sweater, maybe get another sweater.
That was good, I think that was really good. I think you liked that.
Chandler is still filming.
We shut her down.
We shut down Hudson Yards. It's officially closed. We got to 3 out of the 4 stores. Honestly, very successful for me. I really romanticize the idea of a capsule closet. I mean, it just sounds lovely. So I feel like I found some pieces today that are staples, not too bold, but could be layered so many ways. I'm very excited. So let's go try it on.
Living that glamorous life, you know.
The bus. I actually love the bus. Well done, outfit.
Well done. You can't tell, it's the next day. We're gonna try these clothes on. First, we need to show you. You wanna go first?
Yeah, I'll go first. These pants are Uniqlo. And then to stay on the pant game, I got these from Zara. Okay, this is the culprit of the fuzz all over my pants, but it is the blessing of the culprit. Very excited about this sweater from Aritzia. Got this jacket from Zara, and then classic, nice little muscle tank from Aritzia as well.
Got this jacket from Zara. It's like boxier fit, which I like. Got this sweater, Uniqlo. It's navy, it kind of looks black. And then this like just crew necks. Oh, this one's from Zara.
First little look, the pants.
Killing it. Love the pants.
You haven't seen them on me yet.
I haven't, they look great.
Do you like them?
Yes.
And then here is the jacket, dressed by Zara.
This is the jacket.
Looks awesome. Oh, I love it.
I'm debating whether to size up in it, honestly. Here's the crew neck.
Here are the pants. Okay, I really love them. I love just like, I love these pockets right here. Love the straight fit of them.
They look great.
Thanks. I like them a lot.
Okay, and this is my last thing. This sweater. Again, I'm like right in between like a medium and a large. This is a large. Maybe I could have gone for the medium. Oh well.
This, the Aritzia little tank. I love it so much. I feel like it's just so fun and flattering and you can pair it with so many things. And this, oh my gosh. It's so cozy. It's a cashmere sweater from Aritzia. I love it so much.
So cute.
But yeah, this was so fun.
Fall haul. Check.
Fall haul.
We're ready. Our clothes are ready. we're ready. All right, it's day 17. Today, Lucy and I wanted to make some sort of fall soup, so we landed on butternut squash soup. And we've made, you know, baked goods, pumpkin spice lattes, but I think it's time to make a soup. This recipe calls for a yellow onion, butternut squash, obviously, 3 cloves of garlic, sage, rosemary, ginger, vegetable broth, and black pepper, and then maybe pepitas to put on top of it. We don't have those ingredients, so I'm gonna go to the grocery store and we'll get started on the soup. And Lucy's hard at work, aren't you, Lu?
I'm really hard at work.
Boss babe.
No, you can't say boss babe.
Okay, grocery haul is done. We are back. If you can't tell, the kitchen is a mess. Gonna clean that up before we start on the soup. Cue montage. You know, there are really difficult parts about living in New York, but I honestly think the most difficult part about living here is giving up a dishwasher. I miss having a dishwasher. Yeah, so it's not the subway. It's not lack of privacy. It's the dishes. The kitchen is clean and ready to go to start making the soup. The recipe that I found, I'll link it below. It was the first one that popped up on Google, which is always a good sign. Maybe. They didn't have 2 things at TJ's that I needed. They didn't have vegetable broth and they didn't have pepitas. I'm gonna be using chicken broth and we just won't have fun little pepitas on top of it. But it'll still be good, right, Lu?
It's gonna be amazing. When you use it, it's so pretty. I see it now. I see the ring light amplifying the sizzling garlic.
You're referring to the pot, right? Can't tell we don't use this pot enough.
We don't. No. Oh, please get some good shot, like up close shots of like the sizzling in the beautiful pot.
You would do a much better job at this than me, Lucy.
I'm so excited.
Lucy had such a funny phase when we were living in California where she only ate soup
For breakfast.
for breakfast, you guys.
I had a soup for breakfast phase because I think I saw one video one time. And so I would make homemade gluten-free sourdough and extremely vegetable soup for breakfast.
By that she means she didn't follow a recipe. She just used any and every vegetable she can think of, threw it on a pot, and blended it together.
It was a little chaotic. Honestly, it wasn't great.
Sometimes it was good. Sometimes it was really good.
It was hit or miss because there was no recipe.
What's nice about Trader Joe's is they have the cut up butternut squash. I felt so aggressive though at the store getting 3 of these things. You need 3 pounds for this recipe. Crunchy curls. We interrupt this soup broadcast for crunchy curls. We've never tried these. Here we go.
I really like the crunch of them.
Whoa, the end's good. Out of 10?
7.
7. 7.2.
Oh my gosh, Chandler. The herbs. That makes the difference. Way better than my morning vegetable soups.
First bite. That's really good.
It's so good.
Uh-oh. Did Lucy just make a fire meal?
It's really good. Air fryer salmon with forbidden rice, zucchini, peppers.
It's so good. And what are we doing tonight?
We are going to see a Broadway show. We're going to see 1776, which if you had asked me 4 days ago how excited I was, I would have been like, yeah, I'm excited. All ladies playing the Founding Fathers, amazing. But then once I went on TikTok for about 1 hour over the course of this week, I'm a level 10 excited because everyone is just posting bootlegs of this show and it seems amazing. I feel like every time you're in our bathroom, we have clothes hanging here. You're drying. Really the only place we can do that. I was just thinking about how once COVID happened, I mean, the world has already gotten more and more casual. We're not in corsets anymore, right, ladies? But I feel like when COVID hit, the world became even more casual. And there's very few things I feel like we have excuses to dress up for, or like, even if they are things we have excuses to dress up for, like there's still permission to not, if that makes sense. I mean, even the act of like putting on makeup feels like a thing these days. So I think once we got back to New York, I enjoyed the idea of it a little bit more. I'm gonna try to do, my hair's a little greasy, so I'm gonna try to do like a cute little ponytail look and just make the most of this outing. Really excited to see this show. I think it was $30 tickets, so. Actually, I feel like the bottom of my hair is looking pretty decent, so I'm gonna just put a little scrunchie in. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good. I don't own a beauty blender, but I do own my palms. Eyebrows done, mascara. Some lipstick, little I didn't put on deodorant. Natural girl. I'm not trying to flex or anything, but all natural. All right, off we go.
Outfit check. Running a little late. Halfway through.
So good.
You're next, baby. Okay, honest confession here. Lucy just had to explain the 3 branches of government over to me and just did a little example here.
I had to make a diagram.
I just got a little confused. You know, I'm curious if anyone else relates to that. Okay, that show was good.
You like it?
It's not like, the show itself is not that great of a show.
Yeah.
But they did the best that they could.
I mean, the music was so, like the instruments that they incorporated with it were so good.
There were a few like really key moments that were super cool and impactful.
There was a lot of like imagery.
Love what they did with the set at the very end. It was super cool.
I absolutely loved that Elizabeth Davis is pregnant in real life and they let her perform. Like,
yeah, that was cool.
I just have, like, it's pretty mind-blowing. Like, I've never seen someone on stage that's like visibly pregnant and it's not a part of the plot. Oh my gosh, for some reason that was just really impactful to me because it just feels like,
It's like
you're
you
at the mercy of your body as a woman in
Yeah.
your career, you know? And that was just so awesome. It wasn't a part of the plot and it didn't need it to be, but like she was pregnant. I don't know, it just was all, they were all just factors, but they didn't like have to affect anything, if that makes sense.
You're telling me that he wasn't pregnant in real life?
Yeah, the character of Thomas Jefferson, little known fact, he wasn't pregnant during 1776.
I get so confused with the dates, but it was a few years later maybe. Go see 1776. Really good show. Highly recommend.
It was such a fun fall date night.
I love you.
Love you too.
Hey, you guys. It's been a great 3 days.
It really has. And we are what? Finally at the halfway point of our Autumn in New York series, which is crazy. We said we would give you a little bit of an update at the end of this video, so here's our update. When we started this Autumn in New York series, we not only wanted to grow and make interesting content, have the challenge be fun and interesting for people to watch, but we also wanted to challenge ourselves to become better editors, creators, and just see what worked and what didn't.
And so that's why we're actually changing the format slightly, and you just saw the format change. We're going to be combining 3 activities into one video instead of one bucket list item per video. I think it'll just make things a little more interesting for you guys to watch. We even got a comment from someone like, hey, love the videos, but can you make them longer?
Yeah.
It was a good, I guess, learning lesson for us.
Because, like, how long can you make a soup video be? I mean, people have made them long.
Yeah,
but,
for
like,
sure.
how interesting is that? But if it's interspersed, it's so much more interesting. So
we would love your feedback too. If you found this more interesting than the previous videos, or maybe you prefer just one activity per video, would love to hear that too. But we just think that this will be a fun way to finish off the challenge for the next, we have 12 more bucket list items to go through. So we're still gonna finish the challenge and finish it strong, but just with a little tweak from learning from maybe some of our mistakes.
Honestly, more impressed by how it's really affected us in our stamina. I can't tell if that person's naked.
Oh. I won't look.
They're putting lotion on their body. I can't tell if it's a man or a woman.
It's New York for you.
That's New York for you.
Oh my gosh.
That's New York for you. Well, I think that's a good place to give our fall percentages.
Okay, yes.
Please.
Stop looking! Stop looking! Okay, I think we need to break these things down. First, we need to go through fall haul. I'd give it a 2.
Oh, that was my favorite part.
Oh, really?
I'd give it like a 7. We'll settle at a 5.
Okay, we'll settle at a 5. Soup. See, I would have given the soup a 7. The soup was really good.
Oh, did you enjoy making it that much? Or just the taste?
I just like the taste of it.
I think I would give it a 4 because I really enjoyed it, but I didn't really participate.
5 for that as well? Whoa, this means we're going up like 10% bill.
She's clothed.
Okay, good.
She's clothed.
Last thing, Broadway. I'd give it a 3.
I'd give it a 3 as well.
Okay, so all in all, 13%.
Let's send it, baby.
Sending it. 13% more fall. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel if you're enjoying the series, and also like this video. It's free. Hey, it's free. It's free.
I feel like you sound like a used cars salesman. All right, well, we will see you
in the next one.